Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
People use bay leaf for diabetes, cancer, stomach problems, pain, and many other conditions, but there is no good scientific evidence to support these uses. Bay leaf can also be unsafe if the entire leaf is taken by mouth.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Bay leaf burning has been used a way to relieve stress for centuries. The combination of chemicals, specifically the chemical linalool, in the leaves creates a smoke that, when inhaled, calms the body and mind. The study deduced that subjects felt the leaves' effects in under 10 minutes of inhaling fumes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Turning a new leaf on how to treat kidney stones. A 2014 study investigated whether bay leaf extract could help prevent kidney stones. The study found that, along with 8 other traditional medicinal herbs, bay leaf was able to reduce the amount of urease in your body.
Take our lead.
Bay leaf might cause sleepiness and drowsiness. Medications that cause sleepiness are called sedatives. Taking bay leaf along with sedative medications might cause too much sleepiness. Some sedative medications include clonazepam, clonopin, lorazepam, ativan, phenobarbital, donatal, zolpidem, Ambien, and others.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
According to Lifehacker, bay leaves help in relaxing your body. They're effective in dealing with insomnia as they calm down your brain's functioning. Just mix a few drops of bay leaf essence with water and drink this before bedtime for a good night's sleep.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.